Okay, I forgot. Well, I guess I did pour it in the dishwasher already, but before I run it, I wanna tie up everything. Now they're obviously having a leak right here. They had two bowls on the side right here, like that. So, and that one's got water in there, so I'm guessing they leaking on the left side. So automatically, when I first came in, I checked the inside, which that might need to be moved down a little bit. This little guard right here, that should seal. That was a little funky. It's not even leaning on that side, but I don't even think that's the issue. I think the issue is, check this out. You see how up top, how much room and play we got here? When we drop down, it disappeared. We kind of ducked in at the bottom. So I think we're getting too much water play. So we need to balance out and bring the bottom side out. So to do that, you gotta take this right here, which is called a kick plate, out. Normally it's just got two screws holding it. Most of the time, a 1/4 inch bit. I just keep a nut driver on me, and that's the standard size, but you can always find one of these at Harbor Freight. Did a lot of work done with these. Anyway, got two spots there. I already pulled them off. Only thing you gotta watch with dishwashers is people's floors. This one is dropped down. The floor actually stops here, so it's dropped down. Just gotta be careful with scratching people's floors up. Definitely don't want to do that, or yours up. If this is something you're doing for yours. Then you got a leg here and you got a leg there, and you can even see that it's like a decline coming this way if you look back there. I don't know if you can see that. That's a decline dropping down. So we are going to, I could drop the back down too, but since I got so much headway here, I'm going to lift it up. And all we need to lift it up, what you can do, is the simplest way actually. Take this right here, got my little screwdriver with me for that. Let's see. That, prop it up, and then literally, where's my other? Not better. Anyway, it literally screws down. See how low we want to take her. I'm actually gonna drop it all the way to the floor from here. See, this one, once you get one, now I don't even have to prop that one up because the other leg holding it. So I'm gonna drop him down. course, it don't want to go because I'm trying to show I ain't got no flow. Anyway. Tight. I worked at I was a maintenance guy in a warehouse a couple of years ago. And the older guys, I was pretty young. Well, I wasn't that young, actually. It's like 30. But I was just getting into, that. Anyway, the older guys, when you pull out some channel locks, they call you everything but everything they could think of. About them channel locks. Only because channel locks, they really are resourceful, but they're actually not the best thing to use. We got our adjustable here. And I got this size bit, but it's pretty small, and most people don't have this size bit. I don't even know what size that would be. I got a bunch of cell phone tools, so they weren't really small. Anyway, I just need to start it. Did I start it? No. See, this is where we say, see, using those channel locks or pliers or however you want to call them, and you strip out the splines, groove sides, how you want to call it. Anyway, we just want to well, when in doubt, oh, the screwdriver. There we go. Oh, is it still on the ground? I think it might have still been on the ground. What I will do is use my channel lock on the actual foot. This right here, what holds it is what holds it is called it's called a foot. Just a foot. Oh man, look at that. I just needed to free it up. So, I just need that. So it's sitting on that, so that's fine. So, with that, we are going to see how smooth it is now. See how much further it comes out there? It actually could come out a little more. Oh, there we go. Let's see how that does. I like that a lot better. So now, we're just gonna run it. See what we got. Fill them with water. Let's turn sideways. think it takes about maybe 30 seconds to a minute to actually start filling. See both sides, man. I always give it a minute with dishwashers. I think it was leaking a lot more on this side. My left, probably your right. Alright, there we have it. So, we got our dishwasher not leaking. We got our garbage disposal running. All good. Do me a favor and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Appreciate it.